What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, the Kid, come back with another video, man. Today I'm finna be, it's a different video, you know what I'm saying? Usually I'm doing a reaction or some other shit, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah. I got this hat right here, you know what I'm saying? I've been wearing hats and shit lately, so I've been customizing everything. I done customized, like, look at all the shit I done customized, bro. I done customized my desk, but nigga done customized, like, you feel me? I don't know if this video, I did this video for Glow Clips. I don't know if it's still on my channel, but I might have to re-upload it if I find it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, but right now, I'm finna be doing something with this hat, spice it up. I'm gonna spice it up for y'all niggas. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, you feel me? Watch how I do this shit though. We finna do something with this shit, man. We finna just stay tuned, bro. We gon' Alright, y'all boys, we in Silhouette Studio. Now I just put in my designs, you feel me? So you feel me? Put the flame and put the glow logo right there, you feel me? The hat basically is gonna look just like that, really. I ain't even mean to do it. So you gotta load this vinyl in here, you feel me? It don't matter what color vinyl you use, bro, like, it really don't, you feel me? Usually when you're pressing on a shirt, you have to put the logo in there, flip horizontals on some shit though, but you ain't gotta do all that shit, man. You know, Glow got you. Glow got you. You feel me? So I'm finna go ahead and cut this shit out. And once I cut this shit out, I'm gonna paint this shit on the hat. Then once I paint this shit on the hat, my nigga, bro, we done. We done. You feel me? We can end it off. You feel me? Probably can sell it bit for about 100,000, 100 million or something. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, stay tuned. Yes, I don't know if you can see the movie though. Yeah. Basically, it's cut out. All you gotta do is just take out the logo. Like, it's really opposite if you was vinyl pressing the t-shirt. So just take out the exact logo. Don't take out the outline because you don't need the outline because that's what I'm gonna be painting to. You feel me? Okay, now we finna paint. You feel me? I'm using speedball paint. It's for screen printing. So this is fabric paint, I'm guessing. So you feel me? I got some regular paint brushes. I ain't no artist, so don't know which one to use. You probably use the smallest one. Oh, come on, we gotta get in there. Vinyl, it's kind of like you got a whole lot of air in it, as you can see, but we're gonna try to it's not gonna be perfect, as you can see, like right there is the gaps right there. It's gonna look good though, you feel me? We're gonna see. So I'm gonna open up the paint. Oh, is that plastic or is that the paint? Some big ass paint. It's paint big as fuck, bro. Shit, no. You can't say we haven't done nothing. We don't put in no work, bro. Can't say we ain't put in no work. Look at the hands, cuz. Blam! This is the final. Hey, bro, this shit look hard through the camera. The only part I don't like is like, you feel me? Hold on, let me put it down. It's kind of, as you can see, like I fucked it up like right there, and the L is kind of fucked up. It's a little bit like, but I feel like I can do some more editing to it. Like, you feel me? I probably can like take a pencil and draw like some drip designs on some shit or some shit just to make the imperfections look like they were supposed to be there. But overall, I'll give this like a 7. A solid 7. Like, it barely made it to 7. The flames is hard. The flames is hard. The flames is fire, but it's the Glow logo. It kind of, but from far away, You like, bro, that nigga had hard as fuck, but you get up on it, that shit look like, ooh, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right there. It's your boy the Kid. Come back with another video. Let me put this shit on for the video so y'all niggas see how this shit look on the nigga head for a long time. Hold up. This shit is hard. This is fire. I'm not really a big fan of white, but this shit do hard though. You know what I'm saying? But hit that comment section. Comment below with what I should customize next, bro. Cause I've been customizing everything. Like you see this big ass fucking core display in my room, bro. If you want to see me customize that whole shit, like that's gonna be a crazy ass video. I got a whole bunch of shit coming in store, bro. I can't even talk straight, but that's how much shit I got coming for y'all niggas. All y'all gotta do is hit that sub button, hit that like button, and do all that good stuff. You feel me? It's your boy the Kid. Come back with another vid, and let's make this hat for y'all niggas. And yeah, we gon'